Hello again. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to center your text on your floor plan. By the way, the template that I've used here is in metric. To start with, we type empty. Click the upper corner of the space and then the lower corner. For this example, I would like to name this space into kitchen. Go to justification and click middle center. Type kitchen, then click outside. If you miss some letter, you just double click and then type the letter again that you missed and then click outside. If you notice the letter is too small, and then you just click the text and then type MO. In here, you look for the text and then find the text height. Again, since the template that I'm using here is in millimeter, you also type the height into millimeter. Let's say the height is 250. And automatically the size of the letter is changed. The height is changed into 250. Click X and then escape. Again, if you want to name this space again, type again empty, then click here and then click right here. Following the same procedure, you click justification and then middle center and then type dining. Dining area. Now, the text again is so small, you just type MA for match property and then click the kitchen text, then click again the dining area. So that's how to center your text on your floor plan. Thank you very much for watching. See you again for the next video.